Hi, welcome to Yezdi Adventure. For many months, I have been looking for an altimeter with inbuilt switch. But recently, I have discovered a jackpot deal from Portronics, the product named Spark Automotive Mobile Charger. All my wishes are fulfilled with this Spark. It has an inbuilt switch which displays the voltage, controls the power supply to the two ports available on the charger. The product Spark is provided with wiring harness along with the connectors. This is how it looks, the Spark, the box. It has 18 watt fast charging and PD charging, power delivery charging 33 watts, digital voltage display and on-off switch inbuilt. This is how it looks with a transparent lid from which we can switch the button on and off. We can also look the voltage, and these are the waterproof connectors provided with the charger Spark. These are the connectors, and there is only one con, that is a clamp is not provided with the charger. And there are two ports, one fast charging 18 watts and PD charging, power delivery charging 33 watts. And coming to the wiring harness, the wiring harness is about 1 meter in length and it has battery connectors and also extension plugs. It has an inline fuse which is a glass type one or ceramic one. Every feature I wanted in my voltmeter system are provided in this product. How lucky I am! I wanted an inline fuse and an inbuilt on and off switch, but they provided me wiring harness, inline fuse, connectors and also the charging port, PD charging too. And 510 AL 250 watts means 10 ampere rated, 250 watts fully blown fuse. Here I routed the wire underneath the tank and connected with an extension of 70 centimeters of wire procured from outside. For the video purpose, I used a cable tie to mount the voltmeter charger on the handlebar. Look at the voltage difference here. Multimeter shows 12.7 and the Spark shows 12.6. Now we'll check the fast charging. Yes, it is working. Dart charging in the Realme. So 12.6. So this is how it works. We can push the button without opening the lid to notice the voltage on the go. It's a very good product. I am very happy. So this is how it looks during the night time. It's quite pleasant, not disturbing. The brightness seems to be okay. And during the engine on, let us check the brightness. Will it change? No. So you can check the voltage while the engine is running. It is 14.3. So with this system we can observe whether our charging system and battery are working fine. So I am very happy that all my needs are fulfilled with only this product. Thank you.